Hi students, I want to introduce you to the program that we'll be using this year to stay connected. We can also use email, but I'm trying to streamline our connection since I manage 2 grades, so about 240 students. I want to make sure that we have a good way of staying connected between teacher and student, but also a great way for you guys to stay connected to each other when you're working through problems. So this first video is just a slight introduction. There will be more videos to follow in the feed on our class webpage. So the first thing you're going to do is go to slack.com and click Get Started. After clicking Get Started, you're going to click Sign into Slack, and here you're going to click Continue with Google. When you click Continue with Google, you are going to select or enter your school email address, so the email address that ends at ps126mat.com. Now, you may have already received an email from Slack inviting you to join, since I have invited all of you to our stream. So this is just the first video. I also recommend that you download Slack either on your phone, that's the device that you might be using, or your computer or your iPad, so that you have the Slack app, and I'll show you what that looks like in our next video.